Liam. He talking. He talking. Mama. 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 You can talk with your hand in your mouth. Mama. Mama. Mama loves you. Mama loves Liam. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves Liam. He's a wonderful baby. He's talking. He's trying to figure out how to make words. But the words sound kind of funny now. Are you talking or are you fussing? I can't tell. I think you're trying to express yourself. You're trying to express yourself. It's so cute. Yeah, I hear you. I hear my boy. He's expressing himself with his mouth and his voice and his hands and legs. He's being very expressive. He's expressing all his feelings. He's having his playtime. Playtime. Playtime with Mommy on the mat. We play with all the we try to put the toys in our mouth. He likes to put toys. You like to put toys in your mouth.